A is the second letter of calm. It inspires us to be physically active and take care of our body so that we can keep ourselves healthy. Physical activity is any bodily movement that requires energy expenditure. Lack of activity destroys the good health condition of every human being, while movement and physical exercise save it and preserve it. It has been proved scientifically that fitting more and more physical activities in our daily schedule not only improves our health but also enhances the quality of life. Hence, all the physical activities should be viewed as an investment in health. Each one of us should think of physical activity as a medication which is required to be taken daily. This module helps us to explore the ways to increase our physical energy. Individuals who are physically more active have lower rates of mortality. They have lesser chances of having coronary heart disease, high blood pressure, stroke, diabetes, and depression. They are likely to have less risk of a fracture, show a higher level of cardiorespiratory and muscular fitness, are more likely to achieve weight maintenance, and also have a healthier body mass and composition. Active lifestyle is great to relieve stress. One of the most important ways to live longer is to do exercise regularly. Not only does exercise keep the body young, but it also keeps the mind vital and promotes emotional well-being too. Physical activity sparks biological changes that increase the brain's ability to learn, adapt, and perform other cognitive tasks. We can rejoice the miracles of body by moving, stretching, and strengthening it every day. Even a few minutes of stretching or getting up from our place to walk around can help us relax. A complete fitness program develops body flexibility, ensures cardiovascular conditioning, and builds core strength. Here are simple activities we may all do as our routine. Taking the stairs instead of using the lift. Making sure to get up and walk around after every 30 minutes of sitting. Walking 5 to 6,000 steps a day. Walking around while we all are calling someone on the phone. 20 sit-ups. Stretching legs, hands, neck and shoulder whenever possible. Taking a walk after we have a tea, coffee or lunch break. Having standing meetings or discussions. By taking these simple steps, we can avoid sedentary lifestyle of the digital age, which has become a global threat and may add to an already increased burden of non-communicable diseases. Many of us may be reluctant to exercise because it involves discomfort or strain, or it requires special equipment or trainers to work out with, or going to a gym to do it. If this has been the case with you, then simplest thing is to try yoga. Yoga is a form of physical movement. Yoga requires no special equipment and can be done almost anywhere. We can learn simple postures of yoga from the videotapes, YouTube channels and television, and then go on to invent our own postures. We can also enroll for online or regular yoga classes and may get some ideas from the yoga books too. Yoga provides us opportunity to honor our body. It has dramatic effects if practiced regularly. Practice of yoga gives psychological benefits along with physical benefits. Regular practice increases our muscular and skeletal flexibility, strength and balance, as well as help us to enter the states of deep relaxation and awareness. We also experience a greater serenity about life in general. Someone has rightly said that little yoga every day might just keep the doctor away. Mindful yoga is done with the awareness of breathing. It involves stretching of the body with slow breathing and being mindfully aware of one's inner self. It involves exploring our limits but not pushing beyond them. It also gives the message to us about when to stop and when to avoid doing a posture. In practicing mindful yoga, we should not strive to achieve something great. We should just allow ourselves to be as we are and let go of any judging of ourselves. We should move our body slowly and consciously. This yoga results in energizing and relaxing the body at the same time. Whenever we struggle under more workload, the first thing is to stop what we are doing and think about a better way to manage our physical energy. We should not end up adding more work hours to our days. Our physical energy is arrived at optimal level through these 4 elements. First is nutrition. Do you keep a sustainable glucose level in your bloodstream? Second is fitness. How well do you transport oxygen through your body? Sleep. Do you sleep enough to renew your body? And last is renewal. Renewing your energy level within the day. Nowadays, due to other demands of our lives, many of us don't find enough time and ways to practice healthy behaviors consistently. Inadequate nutrition, less exercise, disturbed sleep and insufficient rest diminish our basic physical energy levels. Active living means we are giving the body good care and love that it actually deserves. When we live an active lifestyle, we are usually healthy and happy. In Hindi, we say that we get Anand if we take care of 3 things. Here, A stands for Ahar, which means diet. Na stands for Nindra, sleep. And D stands for Deh, which means taking care of our body. Hope you appreciate the importance of taking care of your body with proper sleep and diet for a happy life. Active lifestyle truly has the potential to make our life more joyful, blissful, and also bring calm in chaos. In the upcoming session, we will explore third letter L, which stands for learning. Thank you.